What is going on, guys? This is Raphael from Self-Made Profits. And if you're looking to earn some extra income from home, you want to have that flexibility in life, you definitely come to the right place. Today, I'll be going over 4 apps that will allow you to get paid from your phone just by watching videos, okay? Before I do that, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so that way you're always notified when I put out new content. Alright, now with that being said, guys, these 4 apps, you're definitely going to have to put in some work, and the only work there is just to watch the videos, okay? Once you watch the videos, you're going to accumulate points, and those points you'll be rewarded by cash. Alright, so I'll go through the 4 apps for you. The first one here is called Cash Pirate, okay, and we're on the website here. As you can see, you can earn money and gift cards from this app. So it's not only can you earn money, you can earn gift cards that you can go to stores and use them there and be able to pay for stuff, okay? So what you'll be doing with this app is that you'll be trying free apps, you'll be completing surveys, and mostly watching videos, okay? And I like the watching videos part because it's the easiest part. You're just sitting there, just looking at your phone, watching the video, and you're accumulating points that you can be rewarded for. All right, so these are the different rewards that you get, the gift cards and everything. You get the Amazon gift card, the iTunes, GameStop, Xbox. But the best one here, of course, is PayPal because you get cash, okay? Now, how it works is that you're going to go ahead and download and register. So you'll download the Cash Pirate app on your phone. And then you'll try the free apps, watch videos, complete the surveys. And then you'll be able to collect the coins. And then you'll go ahead and get rewarded basically for doing that. So you get to swap out the coins for cash. All right. Also, if you refer your friends, you do get paid for that as well. So this is a pretty good app here. All right. Now the next app I have is Vigo, and Vigo is a pretty good one. This is mainly for watching videos. So you're gonna be watching a lot of videos, shows, a lot of different stuff. And the reason why they want you to watch these videos is just because of the ads. They want you to be able to see the ads that they put on these apps. And most people will end up buying. That's the way they get paid. You know, most people will end up probably clicking on the ads. They're interested. They want to buy something, or you know, they just pretty much click on the ads. So that's how they really get paid for this, and that's how they're able to pay you out. So if you're watching these videos, they're able to pay you out for that. All right, so you're gonna go on Vigo, download the app, and then that way you can start getting rewarded today. Okay. Now the next one is Swag Bucks, and Swag Bucks is usually they used to have you do surveys and that kind of stuff, and they have added the watching TV aspect to it. So you'll just be basically watching TV, and you'll be getting paid for that as well. So every time that you're on there, you're watching TV. Ads may pop up, that kind of stuff. You're going to start accumulating points, and those points you can go ahead and get rewarded by cash or either a gift card. Okay, so it's a pretty good company to start earning money from today. Okay, the last one is called App Trailers. Now, usually these new trailers will come out for movies, and most people don't get to really watch them. So App Trailers basically puts those trailers on their phone. On their app, and then once you go on the app there, you'll be watching a bunch of hot trailers that comes out. You'll be watching a bunch of trailers even for new apps that are coming out. You'll be able to watch those trailers as well. So once you're on there, you're watching these trailers. What you're doing is accumulating points. As you can see right here on this demo, it shows 700 points has been earned for watching videos, and from watching these apps. And what happens is that once you earn these points, you can go ahead and redeem them for either the gift cards or the cash. Okay, I like the cash, so I definitely redeem them for cash. I make sure it goes all to my PayPal. That way I can just go in and take the money out, or either use my debit card, my PayPal debit card, and just buy stuff at the store. So it's pretty neat. All right, so you want to come here on the website if you want to get started with trailer apps. You come here on the website, and you'll basically go ahead and sign up. You'll click here on either the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on what kind of phone you have. And if you have an Android, you click on Google Play. Once you get on Google Play, you'll download the app, and then you can start getting paid for it. Okay. If you want to, even so, you want to know more about it, you can come on the website here, apptrailers.com, click play here, and it'll basically go through the process with you. All right, so and the process is easy. As you can see right here, it says watch trailers of hot apps, watch videos on the newest apps, collect reward points. Watching trailers earn you points. You can also earn points by uploading videos and getting likes. And then you'll redeem your points for gift cards. Use those points for gift cards. Amazon, Sephora, Foot Locker, iTunes gift cards are ready to be redeemed. Okay? And there go the gift cards you can earn right here. So then you redeem them and you can get paid. You can also do PayPal, of course, free cash with money from PayPal. So you can do PayPal as well. All right, so these are the 4 apps that allow you to get paid while watching videos on your phone, which is pretty simple to me because I have my phone with me all the time. When I have free time, I could just basically pull up one of these apps and start watching any videos. You know, whether I have 30 minutes, an hour to burn or whatever, I'll sit there, watch a couple videos, and I'll get paid for it. So it's a pretty neat programs to have, and pretty good apps to have on your phone. That way you can sit there and earn some money in your spare time. Okay. So every day I do bring these videos to you just to show you how to make money from home, and definitely help any of you guys out there that want to make extra money or even want to make full-time money from home. I definitely bring these videos out. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That way you're notified every time I put these videos out, and that way you can get the information there. Okay? If you enjoyed this content, please go ahead and like this video, share the video, and once again, guys, become self-made today and stay blessed.